What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jess. Switching it up from the vlogs, and I'm working on some DIY projects because I'm doing a bedroom makeover. The bedroom makeover video is coming soon, so subscribe and stay tuned for that. I'm going for like a neutral kind of theme. I thought I would just make a few DIY videos showing how I'm making some of the art or decor that I'm putting in my room. For this video, I'm just showing you guys how I made these DIY floral wall hangings using pressed dried flowers that I got on Etsy. So if you guys want to see how I made those, then keep on watching. that is it for the DIY pressed dried flower wall hanging. Definitely not an artist of any sort, but I found this like pretty easy to do and not too expensive, finding the frames at the dollar store, and then the pressed flowers on Etsy were only a couple dollars for each pack. But yeah, you can really have a lot of flexibility with it, do it however you please essentially. I found it pretty easy and I really like how they came out. Stay tuned and subscribe. I'm gonna have at least one more DIY decor video and then my bedroom makeover video, so hopefully that'll come pretty soon after this. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.